What's up guys, we're here. So I have seen some Toyota Hilux owner posted on a group that their spare tire gets stolen. So for this video, we'll be installing this BL7821 Bullock spare tire lock. And then it also fits on the following models. So Toyota Fortuner, Innova, Mitsubishi Strada or Triton, Adventure, Isuzu D-Max, Chevrolet Colorado, Nissan Navara, and let's get on to it. Alright, so for each set, it contains this part. So make sure to double check if you have the complete set. And we'll be installing it like this. So big washer on top here, and then another big washer below the rod. And then two small washers sandwiching the spring lock washer. And the nut itself with the thread locker. And we have the fastener for that one, or the Allen key. And the actual lock and keys for the lock. So let's get installing this spare tire lock. Alright, so once you have brought down your spare tire, just make sure to move it away so that you'll have a lot of space when installing your spare tire lock. So you could either install it here at this hole or over here. But I find this one way easier because there's a hole directly above it and the bolt and washer could easily fit in there. So you could just drop it in there and make sure that it goes through the hole, and just like that, you're good to go. Alright, so we're gonna install the big washer first, and then the actual rod, and then the small washer, and then we grab the spring lock, this one, put it in there and sandwich it with another small washer there, and then put the actual nut. So make sure just to thread it up so everything doesn't fall on our face or on our spare tire. Just gonna hold it a bit, and then once we're all good with that one, just grab your spare tire holder, the hook. So yeah, I've used the farthest hole and it's oriented this way so that this rod aligns with the lug nut hole. So if you want to check that quickly, just grab your spare tire holder, or raise it rather, and then make sure that the hook, this one, aligns with the rod. So if that aligns with the rod, you're pretty much good to go, and you're just gonna put your spare tire back. So once that's all aligned, just make sure to tighten this one. So as I have mentioned, you have to have two wrenches, one that will hold the other one on top, and then this one will tighten so that it's in place and it's secured. So when putting back the hook of the spare tire holder, just make sure that it doesn't block off the rod, that one. So for example, it will directly go here. So make sure that your hook is oriented in a different way, like that. It's not blocking off the hole that the rod aligns to. Or as you just raise your spare tire, just carefully raise it up and guide it through a lug nut hole. I mean the rod through a lug nut hole. So yeah, just be careful when raising it up so that the rod will not hit the mags and damage the finish. So yeah, once you have aligned the rod to a lug nut hole, just make sure there's nothing rubbing on there, and then you could tighten this up. So I put a wrench inside there to hold the actual bolt, and another wrench to tighten this nut. So just make sure that it's already secured so that when you're moving or going through bumps, it doesn't make any clanking noise. So the rod doesn't move around and hit the actual chassis or the wheels. So yeah, just make sure to tighten everything up, and we're pretty much already done. So yeah, just don't forget to tighten the nut with the thread locker using the Allen key or the fastener, so it doesn't come loose when you're going through bumps. Alright, so yeah, that's it. And the last thing to do is to put the lock on. So key in, unlock it, then slide it through the rod all the way up. Then make sure to remove the key, like that. Lock it. Cover the keyhole so that the water and dirt won't get through there, and we're pretty much good to go. And that's lock. So yeah, just a quick review of the bull lock. So for the BL7821 model, I wish they have the teeth all the way up here so that you could bring up the lock up to there. But yeah, the actual rod looks thick enough, so they'll be having a hard time to remove that one. And the actual rod aligns with the lug nut holes, but if you put it on the other side, it will have more clearance. Unlike this one on the other side, it's almost rubbing with the lug nut hole, but that's fine. So yeah, there you have it. That's the spare tire lock for the Toyota Hilux. So it also fits on the Innova, Fortuner, and the other models that I have mentioned earlier in this video. So now thieves won't be stealing away your precious spare tire, especially if that's a full spare tire like this one. So meaning the wheels has the same design with the ones that are on the car. So I just want to quickly mention as well that don't forget to bring a spare key and the Allen key. So just in case you got a flat tire, you'll be able to remove the lock. So just put your spare key and the Allen key along with the other tools, or just put it somewhere secured in your interior. Alright, so we're finally done. We're able to install a spare tire lock for the Toyota Hilux Conquest. And if you want to buy that product, I'll be providing a link down in the description. So make sure to use that link so that you could support my channel as well. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share this. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, because we'll be having more videos in the future, and so that you'll be updated as well. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you on the next vid.